All right, so this is a very short section of notes. I apologize that I didn't record while I was writing. I thought I was, but apparently not. So the first thing we need to be able to do is find the circumference of a circle. So circumference is the distance around. So it's going to be 2 times the radius times pi. So remember, the radius goes from the center of the circle over to the edge. So for example, if our radius was 13, we would do 2 times 13 times pi, which would make our circumference 26 pi. And we're going to leave pi in our answers like this. Then for area, we have pi times the radius squared. So we're going to take our radius and square it, which means we're going to multiply it by itself. So 13 times 13 gives us 169. And again, we're just going to stick our pi on the end there. The other thing we talked about is how circumference is also equal to pi times the diameter. So like in 3 through 10, there's some example, like there's some problems in that chart where it gives you like your circumference is 2 pi. And it wants you to find like the diameter, the radius, the area. So when you're given the circumference, that number in front of pi is going to be equal to your diameter. So like for that example, which I believe is problem number 6, right? Your diameter would be 2. Your radius would be 1. And so your area would be 1 squared times pi, so it would just be pi for number 5. Okay, please message me or email me if you have any questions.